Hi students, so under budget and budgetary control, we have started with the production budget. Na? So in that we are going to discuss with the sixth question. Ma. So once you see the sixth question, UP Agro Industries Limited manufactures pickles and juices. So here UP Agro Industries Limited, they are manufacturing pickles and juices. The sales department has prepared the following forecast for the 6 months of 1990. So mango, mixed, pickles are two kinds, mango and mixed. Juices are three: apple, mango, pineapple. Okay, the inventory levels have been determined as under. Okay, these are sales, pickle sales and juices sales he has given. And inventory means what? Stock. So opening stock, closing stocks he has given here. Opening stock of work in progress he has given, closing stock of work in progress he has given. Okay, and finished goods, opening stock finished goods he has given, and closing stock of finished goods he has given. Okay, next, the production in each month is expected to be uniform. Prepare production budget for the 6 months. So for 6 months here we have to prepare the production budget. Okay, so what is the form of production budget? Sales. For that sales, what we have to do? We have to add closing stock, and what we have to deduct? We have to deduct the opening stock. Yes or no? So once you see here, sales he has given, work in progress, opening he has given, closing he has given. Work in progress, opening stock he has given, closing stock he has given, percentage he has given. How much of percentage is completed he has given. So now what we have to do means, for calculating opening stock, 25,000 into 80% we have to do. 25,000 into 80%, 15,000 into 60%, 5,000 into 80%, 3,000 into 70%, 4,000 into 75%. And for closing he has given 40,000 into 60%, 25,000 into 80%, 4,000 into 75%, 3,000 into 80%, 5,000 into 80%. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చిన ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా. సో మనకి నార్మల్గా ప్రొడక్షన్ బడ్జెట్ పర్ఫార్మ్ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? సేల్స్ యాడ్ క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ మైనస్ ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ చేస్తాం. అయితే ఇక్కడ మనకి వర్క్ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఉంది, ఫినిష్డ్ గుడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఉంది, క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఉంది. ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ ఫినిష్ గూడ్స్ ఉంది, క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ ఫినిష్ గూడ్స్ ఉంది. అయితే ఇక్కడ వర్క్ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రెస్కి ఏం చేస్తారంటే పర్సంటేజ్ ఇచ్చింది ఇక్కడ వీడు. అంటే ఈ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవద్దు, మనం ఏం చేయాలి? పర్సంటేజ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి తీసుకోవాలి. హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది పర్సంటేజ్. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మా? హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది పర్సంటేజ్. Opening we have to calculate on opening percentage, and closing we have to calculate on closing percentage. Okay, so finished goods, finished direct he has given, finished opening stock and finished closing stock. Okay, so once you see the answer here, first you see here, for sales we have to take 1 lakh pickles, juices, pickles and juices. Pickles are mango mixed, juices apple, mango, pineapple. Sales 1,75,000, 25,000, 15,000, 35,000. First add closing stock. Closing stock of work in progress. It is closing stock of work in progress, ma. Work in progress. Okay, closing stock of work in progress. Okay, once you see here, how much it is there? Mango 40,000 is there. 40,000 into 60% we have to do. 25,000 into 80%. 40,000 into 60% చేయాలమ్మా. 25,000 into 80%. 4,000 into 75%. 3,000 into 80%. 5,000 into 80%. సో అది ఇక్కడ చేయాలి. 40,000 into 60%. 25,000 into 80%. ఓకే, 4,000 into 75%. నెక్స్ట్ 3,000 into 80%. 5,000 into 75. 5,000 into 80%. Okay, 5,000 into 80% it is. Not 75, it is 80%. Okay, so after calculating this percentage, you will be getting 24,000, 20,000, 3,000, 2,400, 4,000. Now add. Okay, after adding, minus opening stock of work in progress. Opening stock of work in progress. Okay, so opening stock of work in progress, how we have to calculate here? See, opening stock 25,000 into 80%, 15,000 into 60%, 5,000 into 80%, 3,000 into 70%, 4,000 into 75%. Then you will be getting opening stock of work in progress. Okay, clear amma? So 20,000, 9,000, 4,000, 2,100, 3,000. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to deduct. Okay, from this total you have to deduct this opening stock of work in progress. Afterwards, now what you have to do here? Add closing stock of finished goods. These percentages are here, so ఇవేం కన్సిడర్ చేయకండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, యాడ్ క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ ఫినిష్డ్ గుడ్స్. So closing stock of finished goods is how much you see? 6,000, 2,000, 2,500, 2,000. So these closing stock of finished goods we have to take. Again add minus opening stock of finished goods. Okay, opening stock of finished goods. So opening stock of finished goods is how much? Once you see 7,500, 3,000, 1,500, 800, 2,000. Okay. So now deduct this opening stock of finished goods. So finally you will be getting this one total. That is, in case of pickles, mango is 1,02,500, mixed 85,000, juices, apple is 24,500, mango 15,000, and pineapple is 36,000. So this is a production. This is a production budget. Okay, nothing but these many of units they have produced. Okay, so next we are going to discuss with the material budget. We are going to discuss with the material budget. So once you see here the question, the material budget question, you see. See, seventh question. Once you see the seventh question. From the following figures, prepare raw materials purchase budget for January 1987 he has given. For January 1987. So here also same thing. In case of material budget also same. Estimate same sales closing minus opening. Okay. See, estimated cost on January 1st he has given. This is nothing but opening stock. Opening stock of material he has given. Next, estimated continuation estimated stock for January 31st he has said, that is closing stock for the month of January, that is will be closing stock of material. Next, estimated consumption. Okay, estimated consumption. Okay, this will be the material, how much of material has been used. This is an estimated consumption. And standard price per unit he has given 25 pice, 5 pice, 15 pice, 10 pice, 20 pice, and 30 pice he has given. So here what we have to prepare? We have to prepare the material budget. We have to prepare the material budget here. So once you see here, first estimated consumption. 1 lakh consumption I have taken 1,20,000, 40,000, 1,32,000, okay, 36,000, 88,000, and 1,72,000. For that what we have to do? Add closing 20,000, 8,000, 28,000, 4,000, 16,000, 32,000. After adding we got these values. Next, minus opening 16,000, 6,000, 24,000, 2,000, 14,000, 28,000. We have to subtract it. After subtracting, in the question he has given the standard price na, we have to multiply with this. These are the units, nothing but these are the material how much we have used. Now we have to multiply with its price, standard price per unit, 1,24,000 into 0.25. Nothing but material A, how much we have to use, how much standardly, how much we are thinking that 1,24,000. 1,24,000 into per unit cost is how much? 0.25. So you will be getting 31,000. 46,000 into 0.05 material B, and material C 1,36,000 units into 0.15. Materials D 38,000 into 0.10. Material E 90,000 into 0.20. Material F 1,76,000 into 0.30. So this is the cost. This is the cost of material for all this A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and finally total material cost is how much? 1,28,300. This is a budget, material budget for all these materials. Okay, there is a material budget. Okay, this is nothing but this is a material budget, ma'am. So let us see one more question, that is 8th question. You see, 8th question is also a material purchase budget. Okay, so once you see the 8th question, the sales director of a manufacturing company, reports that next year he expects to sell 54,000 units of a certain product. Okay, nothing but what they are thinking means next year they have to sell the 54,000 units. 54,000 units they want to sell in the next year. Okay, that he has given. Next, the production manager consults the storekeeper and casts his figures as follows. So for selling the 54,000 units, or else for manufacturing 54,000 units, okay, now the production manager what he has done, he went to the storekeeper, okay, and he has totally he has given information that for selling this 54,000 units, or else for manufacturing this 54,000 units, how much of material A is required and how much of material B is required. So here two kinds of raw material A and B are required for manufacturing the product. Okay, so for preparing that, for manufacturing this product, material A is required and material B is required. So each unit of product required 2 units of A and 3 units of B. For preparing one unit, okay, 2 units of product A is nothing but 2 units of material A is required and 3 units of material B is required. The estimated opening balance at the announcement of the next year are finished product 10,000 units, okay, A 12,000 units, B 15,000 units. So finished A 12,000 units and B 15,000 units. The desirable, okay, this is an opening and this is a closing. The desirable closing balances at the end of the next year. Finished is 14,000, A 13,000 units, B 16,000 units. Drop a quantitative chart showing the material purchase budget for the next year. So వినండి ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా. వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా ఒక ఎస్టిమేషన్ వేసుకుంటున్నారు అంటే ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఏమైనా ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంటున్నారు అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ 54,000 యూనిట్స్ వాళ్ళు అమ్మాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నారు. అండ్ 54,000 ఒక మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ కంపెనీ ఉంది, అవునా. వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ 54,000 యూనిట్స్ని సేల్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నారు. సో 54,000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి అని అంటే ప్రొడక్షన్ మేనేజర్ ఏం చేసి ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ కీపర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి సో వాళ్ళు ఒక ఎస్టిమేషన్ వేసుకుంటున్నారు. అంటే 54,000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి కదా, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి అంటే ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళ ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఎట్లా అంటే ఒక్క యూనిట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి 2 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అనే మెటీరియల్ అవసరమవుతుంది, 3 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ బి అనే మెటీరియల్, ఒక మెటీరియల్స్ అన్నమాట. అంటే ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి 2 kinds ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్స్ కావాలి. ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళకి 2 kinds ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్స్ కావాలి. ఆ 2 kinds ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ, ఏ అండ్ బి, ఓకేనా. సో ఒక్క యూనిట్కి 2 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ ఏ అవసరమవుతుంది, 3 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ బి అవసరమవుతుంది అని చెప్తున్నాడు వాడు, ఓకేనా. సో వాళ్ళ ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఇచ్చిండు, ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇచ్చిండు, ఇంకేమి ఇచ్చిండు, క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ కూడా ఇచ్చిండు క్వశ్చన్లో. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం ఓపెనింగ్ క్లోజింగ్ వేసుకొని ఫైనల్గా ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ సేల్ చేయాలనేది ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత మెటీరియల్ ఏ ఎంత అవసరం అవుతుంది, మెటీరియల్ బి ఎంత అవసరం అవుతుంది అని మళ్ళీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం, ఓకేనా. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏంది, ఎన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయాలనేది ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే 54,000 యూనిట్స్ అని ఇచ్చిందా, సేల్ చేయాల్సిన ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ఇక్కడ 54,000 యూనిట్స్. హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సెల్ ది 54,000 యూనిట్స్, బట్ ప్రీవియస్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ అండ్ క్లోజింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో హీ హాస్ గివెన్. So first of all here we have to find that how many units we have to produce. Okay, after that material A how much is required and material B how much is required, that we have to find here. Okay, so for that purpose once you see here jartha vinandama, sales how many units, 54,000. So finished product closing has given na, so add closing 14,000. So how much you got here, 68,000. From that minus opening finished product he has given a minus it, so 10,000. So finally 58,000 units they have to manufacture. How many units they have to manufacture, 58,000 units. For manufacturing these 58,000 units, material A requirement is how much and material B requirement is how much, that one we have to calculate. Okay, sales 58,000 into 2. Why I multiplied with 2? For preparing one unit, 2 units of material is required. How many units, 2 units of material A is required. So 58,000 units into 2 rupees. How much we got here, 1,16,000. Add closing stock. For this you have to add the closing stock 13,000. So 1,29,000 we got, minus opening stock 12,000. So 1,17,000. Same for B also. For preparing one unit, 3 units he has. For preparing one unit, 3 units of material B is required, he has given. So 58,000 into 3. It is not rupees ma, it is units. Here we have not calculating rupees, we are calculating only the material in units. So 58,000 into 3, so 1,74,000. Add closing 16,000, so 1,90,000 we got, minus opening 15,000, so 1,75,000. అంటే ఈ 58,000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి ఏ అనే మెటీరియల్ ఎంత అవసరం ఉంది, 1,17,000 అవసరం అవుతుంది. బి అనే మెటీరియల్ ఎంత అవసరం అవుతుంది, 1,75,000 అవసరం అవుతుంది 58,000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి. అది మెటీరియల్ బడ్జెట్. ఓకే, సో సేమ్ 9th question. Same, once you see here 9th question also. From the given particulars presented by P Limited, you are asked to prepare a material budget. Estimated sales 50,000 he has given. how much they want to sell here? 50,000 units. Each unit of the production requires 2 units of X and 4 units of material Y. Okay na? So here again same process ma. Material X is how much required? 2 units, and material Y is how much is required? 4 units. Okay, so first of all what they are estimating? 50,000 they are estimating, and finished he has given finished goods. Opening finished goods 10,000 units he has given, and closing finished goods 6,000 units he has given. Okay, next here two kinds of openings are there. Once you see ma, material X opening balance 15,000 and material Y he has given, and materials on order opening 8,000 he has given and Y 12,000 he has given. Next closings also he has given. Okay, two closings are there, two openings are there. In the previous problem we have only one opening and one closing in case of material A and B, but here we have two openings and two closings. Only that is a different. మనకి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో అన్నిటికీ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏకి కానీ బీకి కానీ ఒకటే ఓపెనింగ్ ఒకటే క్లోజింగ్ ఉందమ్మా. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్కి వైకి రెండింటికి రెండు ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు క్లోజింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అంత డిఫరెన్స్ తప్ప వేరే ఏమి డిఫరెన్స్ లేదు ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? సో మనం ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి అనేది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. దానికి మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ 50,000 యూనిట్స్ అని ఇచ్చింది కదా ఇక్కడ. They want to sell the 50,000 units. For this, what we have to do? We have to add this closing. How much we will be getting? 56. From that, minus this opening finished goods. Add closing finished goods and minus opening finished goods. Okay, 56,000 minus this 10,000. You will be getting 46,000. So totally, now they have to manufacture 46,000 units. Okay. After that, we have to calculate the material purchase budget. How much of material we have to purchase for preparing this 46,000. So now what we have to do? Material X opening he has given, material Y opening he has given, materials on order opening X has given, Y he has given, and closings also he has given. Two closings are there, two openings are there in case of material. So once you see here, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఏం కాకుండా అమ్మ, రెండు ఓపెనింగ్స్ రెండు క్లోజింగ్స్ ఇచ్చిండు అంతే, అంతకుమించి ఆడేం లేదు. ఓకే, సేల్స్ 50,000, యాడ్ క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ 60,000, ఫినిష్డ్ క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ 6,000, అండ్ మైనస్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఫినిష్డ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫినిష్డ్ goods minus opening finished goods 10,000. Totally 46,000 the company has to manufacture now. So for manufacturing this 46,000, material X is required and material Y is required. Material X is required and material Y is required. So sales 46,000 into 2 units of material X is required. So 46,000 into 2, 92,000. And for preparing this 1 unit of this product, 4 units of Y is required. So 46,000 into 4. వినండి అమ్మ, ఒక్క యూనిట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి 2 units of X మెటీరియల్ అవసరం అవుతుంది. ఒక్క యూనిట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి 4 units of Y మెటీరియల్ అవసరం అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ ఒక బుక్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి, ఒక బుక్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం అనుకో, ఒక బుక్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయాలి అంటే దానికి 2 kinds of మెటీరియల్స్ అవసరం అనుకుందాం. X అనేది ఒకటి, Y అనేది ఒకటి. ఆ రెండు కలిపితే ఒక బుక్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆ రెండు ఎంతెంత కలపాలనుకుంటున్నారా? ఎంతెంత అంటే X ఏమో 2 units కావాలి ఒక బుక్ చేయడానికి, X ఏమో 2 units కావాలి, Y ఏమో 4 units కావాలి. ఆ రెండు కలిపితే ఒక బుక్ అనేది తయారవుతుంది అన్నమాట. అది ఇక్కడ. సో 46,000 into 2 rupees. How much? 92,000. 46,000 into 4 rupees. Sorry, not rupees. It's a material. Number of units. Okay, 46,000 into 2 units of X and 46,000 into 4 units of Y. Okay, this much we got. For this, what we have to do? Add closing stocks. Okay, 2 closings are there. Add 2 closings. 16,000 and 6,000, 30,000 and 8,000. చూడమ్మా, రెండు క్లోజింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. X 16,000 and X 6,000. Y 30,000 and material Y 8,000. Add these 2 closing stocks. Afterwards, minus 2 openings. 2 openings he has given, minus 2 opening stocks. Then finally we will be getting these values. One is X requirement is how much? 91,000, and Y requirement is how much? 1,85,000. So this is a material budget. Okay.